rate, please subscribe. Thank you.
That's unfortunate as fuck what happened to 4xtra's hand, blood. I wasn't laughing at blood, but the nigga said he was finna blow some houses at blood, that nigga said, nigga, off the back, nigga, he finna blow some houses at. All I said was, blood trademark off the bomb. When you stop laughing and stop, all right, 4xtra's was a character and everybody feel like he kind of deserved what he got. I understand that aspect of it. But on the same side, blood, do you notice that the Crips is clowning him harder than anybody, blood? A lot of his own homies, nigga, I'm seeing 40s. The Crips, the niggas he was representing that was all hee ha ha, and in the background now them niggas is laughing that he f***ed up, blood. You niggas couldn't breathe when that nigga was out, blood, you niggas talking that, blood, when that nigga was straight, though, you niggas wasn't breathing, nigga. Blood, Jesus, stay focused, blacks.